How to fix YouTube not showing full screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your YouTube if it is not showing a full screen video. So if we go to our YouTube and then if we play a random video, there you'll see this square option. So if we tap on it, the video will go to full screen. But if you are not able to go to full screen, there are a few different reasons. So the first one being your auto rotate settings. So go to your notification bar and then search for the auto rotate option. Now it will take you to settings, and there you'll simply have to turn on auto rotate screen option. And now try going back to YouTube. Now if you tilt or rotate your phone 90 degree in any direction, it will simply go to full screen. But sometimes even if you do that, it won't go to full screen, meaning there is a bug on your YouTube app currently. So in order to fix that, go to your Play Store or App Store and then type in YouTube. Now as you can see, my app currently says update, meaning it is not up to date. So if your app is not up to date, sometimes it will restrict some features and it might be a cause of your problem. So try updating your YouTube app and then try playing a video on full screen. And if it still doesn't work, as a last resort, what you can do is go to your settings. After that, go to apps and then locate YouTube. Now go to storage and cache and then try clearing both your cache memory as well as the entire storage of your YouTube app. And now once you've cleared both your cache memory as well as the entire data of your YouTube storage, go back to YouTube and then re-log into your account. And now once you try playing a video to full screen, you surely will be able to do it. So that is basically how you fix YouTube not showing full screen problem. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.